The shit is hitting the fan.
Shit has hit the fan.
Shit hit the fan.
Yes, shit has officially hit the fan.
When the shit hits the fan.
Even when shit's hitting the fan.
The shit'll hit the fan now.
When the shit hits the fan.
Well, when the shit hits the fan.
English Idiom Challenge. What does "the shit hit the fan" mean? Correct answer is a situation suddenly became chaotic or went terribly wrong. The shit hit the fan means a situation suddenly became very bad, chaotic, or out of control, usually after a secret or problem is revealed. Examples: when the boss found out about the missing money, the shit really hit the fan. Everything was fine until the media leaked the story, then the shit hit the fan. Like and subscribe for more idioms.